You ever see them do it to babies?
No.
Oh my God, it's so crazy. People that are like full on nuts have their babies brought to a chiropractor, and the chiropractor is adjusting the baby's skull and moving the baby's arm. You're like, yo!
Your parental ideas of like they're all scrapped. Like you're supposed to keep it safe. The idea of handing it to a chiropractor.
They believe it, and so they think they're doing a good thing.
Jamie, am I allowed to ask Jamie to bring things up?
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Jamie, can you bring up some dog chiropractors?
Oh,
Have you
I've
seen this?
it.
Yeah,
I've seen
and
it.
the dogs look at the chiropractor like, "What'd you just do?" But
Right.
also, I do feel a little bit better. The dog's so sweet about it. Like, I think I'm good actually.
You got to get the right dog.
A lot
for
of
that
pit
job.
bulls because they're all strong and shit, and
Yeah?
so like they'll just
And they pop
adjust
'em?
it. Yeah, I've seen like montages of it, and it's pretty adorable.